Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are keeping it simple and direct. I am going to show you how to change your table border thickness or make your table borders bold in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. First, open your Word document. If you already have a table inserted, hover your mouse over it. You will notice a small icon with a four-way arrow appear in the top left corner of the table. Click that icon. This will highlight your entire table. With the table selected, right-click directly on that same four-way arrow icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down to the bottom and select Table Properties. A new window will pop up. At the bottom of this window, click the button that says Borders and Shading. This opens your border settings. On the left side, under the Setting column, click on All to ensure the changes apply to the whole table. Now, look for the Width drop-down menu in the center of the window. Click on it and you can choose the exact thickness you want for your borders, from a thin hairline to a thick, bold line. Once you have selected your desired thickness, click OK on the Borders and Shading window, then click OK once more on the Table Properties window. And that is it! Your table borders are now exactly how you want them. If this quick guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more fast and professional tutorials. See you in the next one.